After the success of the play Aladdin, Bantay Bata children are again on stage for Thumbelina with the help of their friends from Super Voice.
Mayain po ako dati. Yung ipa-performs ko po ngayon para sa kanila.
Thumbelina expressed her excitement at being given the chance to uplift others through a live performance of the musical inspired by the classic fairy tale Thumbelina. The children under the care of Bantay Bata 163 once again displayed their talent and enthusiasm on stage.
Yung maipa-experience mo yan sa bata, malaking bagay yan kasi nabuboost talaga yung confidence nila.
Since 2003, the performing group Super Voice has willingly shared its time and energy in training and motivating these children.
Tiwala sa sarili, yun, na humarap sa ibang tao, hindi lang sa stage, pati sa labas. Kaya after nito, may mga students sila sa CV na nag-excel sa school.
Nagpapasalamat to at naayos nila yung mga bata at sinusuportahan nila yung mga problema ng mga bata, mga ngailangan. Masaya.
To see a child get over a bitter past is more than enough for Bantay Bata 163 to continue its cause for the sick and abused.
Nakayanan nila na ipakita ito sa harap ng maraming tao at malaking kasiyahan din sa kanilang mga magulang, kapatid at iba pang kamag-anak